is wireless solar outdoor security camera. The wireless solar outdoor security camera is a cutting-edge solution for home security in 2024, offering a wide array of features that make it the ultimate choice for safeguarding your home. With its plethora of advanced capabilities, this camera provides unparalleled convenience with its 100% wireless design, eliminating the hassle of dealing with wires and the need for a power plug-in. You can mount it on the wall and enjoy uninterrupted surveillance for 365 days. A hassle-free experience without the need for frequent recharging. This versatile outdoor camera not only provides free 3-day playback, but also securely stores your video footage either on a cloud server with up to 0.5 GB storage or on a 128 GB SD card, sold separately. With seamless playback, responsive motion detection, and convenient two-way talk, it offers easy communication and enhanced security. Controlling the camera's view is effortless with its impressive 355 degrees horizontal rotation, 90 degrees vertical rotation, and 3x digital zoom, all manageable through your smartphone. With its impressive 1080p Full HD resolution, this camera delivers remarkably clear and crisp picture quality. You can enhance your security, and the camera's white light feature automatically illuminates when motion is detected. Say goodbye to blind spots as the 90-degree wide-angle lens ensures a panoramic view of your front door, backyard, shop, or garage. If you like this motion detection security camera, be sure to check out the link in the description box below.